Hi, in this video, you will learn how to use Excel's Flash Fill feature to save time and simplify your workflow. Let's get started. What is Flash Fill? Flash Fill is a feature in Excel that automatically fills in values based on patterns you establish. It's perfect for tasks like splitting, combining, and formatting data without needing complex formulas. All you need to do is start typing, and Excel will recognize the pattern and do the rest for you. In our first example, let's say you have a list of full names in one column, and you need to split them into first and last names. Here in column A, we have full names and want to split this into first names in column B and last names in column C. So in cell B2, I will type the first name from cell A2 manually. Let's say John. Now, I will move to cell C2 and type the last name Doe. Next, to fill in the rest of the first names, I will manually trigger Flash Fill by pressing Ctrl E or going to the Data tab and clicking on Flash Fill in the Data Tools group. I will do the same for the last names. So click in cell C3 and press Ctrl E, and Excel fills in the remaining last names. With just a couple of keystrokes, Flash Fill instantly recognizes the pattern and completes the task. This method is especially useful when working with large data sets. Next, let's combine data from two columns. Suppose you have first names in one column and last names in another, and you need to create full names. In column A, I have the first names, and in column B, I have the last names. So, in column C2, I will type the full name by combining the first name and last name with a space in between. John Doe. Now, I will click in cell C3 and press Ctrl E to manually trigger Flash Fill. Excel will fill in the remaining full names for me. This way, you can combine data quickly and efficiently without needing to rely on formulas. Flash Fill is also great for formatting data. Let's say you have a list of phone numbers that are not formatted consistently. We can fix that easily. In column A, I have phone numbers without any formatting. In cell B2, I will type the phone number in the desired format, like this. To apply this format to the rest of the numbers, I will click in cell B3 and press Ctrl E. Flash Fill takes care of the rest for me. With Flash Fill, you can standardize your data formats across large data sets with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.